Okay, so good morning. We are now in our second day of Sakto-Dev immersion. Presently, we're about to leave Barangay Bungalan. Bungalon. Okay, we're now going to Bungalon Falls. Then, yung... Ba't ako nag-English? Pwede naman Tagalog. Bicol. Yung sakit. Guys, so ngunyan, maduman po kami sa Bungalon Falls. Thank you po. So maduman po kami first una sa Bungalon Falls, then secondly sa I don't know. Thirdly sa
The second is village.
yung IP Village, tapos basta mamaya malalaman niya. So I'm with the students, tourism students. They're the officers of the T, and together with the rest of the faculty members who are part of this Bungalon team, Sakto-Dev Bungalon immersion team. So see you later, alligator.